Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be pretty short. I'm just going to be reviewing a couple trade setups that I saw earlier this week, trade setups that I'm looking forward to next week, and the performance of some of the predictions I've made thus far. So starting with the S&P, so I believe we're going to see a small jump or pullback up in the S&P around 1%, a little higher than 1% in the coming week. Now, of course, this is still going to be a part of the overall trade, so we're going to just see a pullback in the bigger trade that I said will happen with a move down of over 5%. And I think we're going to see this move down and the hitting of the TP in possibly the next month. So something to look forward to. If you short the S&P, if you long it, well, I guess that's just your issue, but this is what I believe will happen soon enough. Now moving to XSP. So XSP, this trade I'm not as sure about due to lack of total confirmation. However, I do believe that we're going to see a move down, which is again opposing the S&P movement. But as I posted earlier this week on X, there was a trade on SPY that I believed would move up, and a trade on XSP that I believe it would move down, and both of them hit TP. So I believe to see the same thing on XSP this week, moving down, but again, I'm not sure of this trade, so I will not be taking it. And again, none of this is financial advice. You make your own decisions. This is just what I believe is going to happen and what I'm looking forward to. Next, the Google position that I called out earlier this week, and I think last week as well. So we're halfway to the TP, so I said that it's going to drop by over 10%, and it's dropped substantially already, I think above 5%. So we can expect to see a greater drop in the coming months. But as I said, with the S&P pullback up a little bit, we can expect Google and all of the other predictions that I'm going to go over in a second to also go up before continuing down. Moving on to Microsoft. So Microsoft, just as Google, has dropped a lot since I made that prediction. And again, since S&P is going to be moving up, I believe Microsoft will also have to move up a little bit as it's part of the S&P, the top 500 companies. So I believe we can see a pullback on this trade as well before it hits TP. And as for Apple and Amazon, both of them are around the break-even point. Again, I think they'll move up before moving down, but I definitely believe that they're going to hit the TP, which is all the way down here. For Apple, I guess over 11%, and for Amazon over 12%. I do believe all of them will hit the TP. It's just a matter of time. If anything changes, I'll post it on X. If I see any more possible positions, I'll also post it on X. Again, none of this is financial advice. You make your own decisions. This is just what I am observing in the markets. If there are any other symbols or assets that you want me to assess, leave a comment down below. And for Forex and crypto, I do believe that they're going to reflect the movements of the market. So pretty much just moving up and down. But overall, thank you for watching and have a good day.